ito po ang Miss Pearl of the Orient Philippines
2025. Mula sa iba't ibang panig ng Pilipinas, dala ang kanilang mga kwento, pangarap at advokasya. Isang masigabong pagsalubong. Narito na ang mga opisyal na kandidata ng Miss Pearl of the Orient Philippines 2025.
Together, let us empower one another. Let us inspire each other with transformational legacies by letting other people, especially the foreigners, experience the true power that the Philippines has and the beauty it holds.
We stand tall and proud, and this makes me proud as a Filipino.
We chose to rise amidst the challenges that we experience. And I think that is a great value, that is a great factor in being a hero.
We should take a step when preserving our culture, especially the values, traditions, and heritage that we have.
This is what brings us together. Everyone I meet who's Filipino has colorful stories, and this is what makes us bond. I truly think this kind of joy is what makes us Filipino.
The best Filipino culture that we need to educate our youth is the respect to the elders.
And we can do this by everyday acts of kindness and supporting community efforts. Because if we can learn bayanihan, we don't just move houses, we move hearts.
We are filled with love, we are filled with bayanihan, and we can definitely change the world because our history will continue to repeat if we don't recognize our previous mistakes.
And we do not let it remind us, but we allow it to bring our strength with us.
It is our presence that we should live for, a present where we speak our languages, a present where we speak our freedom.
Make use of all the platforms out there to scream out our voices, to use our voices for the unheard.
I can now say that I am ready to serve and lead wholeheartedly with my purpose and my advocacy aligned with my organization, and now I am ready to get the crown.
Ang sinag mula sa silangan, kasabay ng kislap ng mga perla sa karagatan, at ang simoy ng hangi kumakanta, waring naaakit sa kakaibang ganda.
Isang gabi ng pagkilala sa kagandahang hindi lamang panlabas, kundi pati ang talino, kakayanan at mga advokasiyang bitbit ng ating mga kandidata mula sa iba't ibang lalawigan ng Pilipinas.
Husay walang kapantay,
siya'y matalino, matapang may paninindigan, gandang lumalaban, gandang hinahangaan.
She is Miss Pearl of the Orient Philippines. Nagniningning ang kulay, marikit na tunay. Miss Pearl of the Orient Philippines. Nag-iisa, lumiliwanag, gandang Pilipina. Di umuurong, susulong, haharap sa hamon, because she is Miss Pearl of the Orient Philippines. Mga titig niyang dala ay pag-asa, may tibay at lakas ng kulay morena. Binibining nananalig sa lumikha, mapagkumbaba, mapagkalina.
Ang ating pinakabagong reyna na mag-uuwi ng titulo at korona ng Miss Pearl of the Orient Philippines 2025. I see District 4, Quezon City!
She's Miss Pearl of the Orient Philippines. Nagniningning ang kulay, marikit na tunay. Miss Pearl of the Orient Philippines. Nag-iisa lumiliwanag, gandang Pilipina. Di umuurong, susulong, haharap sa hamon. Because she is Miss Pearl of the Orient Philippines.